24 minus 18. This one, okay, is 6. Okay, so this is the answer to question 15. We moved all the way to question 15 already. Not bad. Okay, very good. Today the progress is quite good. Okay, let's look at question 16. Okay, while I'm next picture, so a bit slower. Fill in each blank circle below with plus or minus x or times or divide to make the equation. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. Bracket 21. Okay, what should it be? The circle, remember? Okay, they're asking you 3. Okay, so what symbol is this? This is plus, minus, times, or divide. Okay, that is what they ask you. Okay, then after that, minus away. There is a, okay, with one more label. Okay, 6 times 4 equal to 12. Able to see? Okay, see, shift a bit. Still able to see. Okay, shift. Okay. So let's try this first. Okay, now if 21, okay, if you times 3, okay, define the below to make the equation. Down here is 12. Okay, so you need to work out. Try to simplify it first. Try to simplify it first. So 3. Okay. Okay, this one is what is the 8? Okay. Okay. 2. Down here is 24, 24 equal to 12. Okay, so basically if you try to use minus, okay, if this is times, right, the numbers is let's try this first. Let's work out this one. Okay, if it's minus, okay, let's see. Let's use minus first. 21 minus 3 is how many? Okay, let's work out 21 minus 3. Can I have answer? 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. Now here is 18. Okay, if this one, right, okay, is a divide. By 24. You know, cannot be divided. Wait, if it's, don't do this, 6, down here is, sorry, I forgot, 6 times 4. Because why? If this is a multiplication, we should not do this first, okay? So because we do not know the symbol, so make a mistake. So it's 18, okay? If it's minus, then divide by 6, okay, times 4 can be equal to 12. So down here, work out to be 3. times 4 is equal to 12. Okay, using a trial and error itself, right? Okay, try to work out this one. Okay, as you can see itself, if you use 21 minus is 3. Okay, so if it's 3 times 4, then you got to be 12. Okay, because of the section B, right? Okay, each of them carry 4 marks. Okay, remember, okay, question 16 itself, this question carry 4 marks. So this is not an easy question. So because of the 4 marks, I think you should spend some time to make sure that it's correct. This type of answer, you need to trial and error. If you need to trial it with plus minus, just to make sure that you get the answer 12 itself, right? Try to spend some time just to make sure you try and do it. Okay, remember this question 4. Okay, section C 16. This is 4 marks question. So you need to really try it. Okay, don't waste these 4 marks. Okay. Next, let's move on to question 17. Okay. Okay, let me rub off this. Okay, those that is interested in the when the COVID is over itself and you are interested in the free tuition, let us know. Okay, we hope to get you back so that you can learn, attend to some free tuition class, which is important for you to practice. So at this moment, try to use the exam paper to do online classes with us. Okay, and every day we are doing it. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is for this primary 6 mathematics. Okay, and every Tuesday and Friday and Thursday, okay, 4 p.m. to 5:30 is for primary 5. Okay, so this is the online class that we actually provide for you. The exam paper can be downloaded from sccilive.sg with the answer provided. We will put the videos in our app itself right on top, so you can actually download the apps, go to education portal. Okay, and yes, there will be correction. This week we are trying out the system, and if everything is fine, then we will actually implement full skill also. Okay, for more subjects. Okay, let's hope that the response is good. And if you got any question, please give us a feedback. The number is right below over there. Okay, on the right hand side, as you can see below. Okay, so WhatsApp. Okay, if you want to be a volunteer teacher itself to work out the answer script, okay, step by steps. Okay, we also appreciate because that will really help us to conduct more classes, and all this will be archived and put it in. Okay, if you want us to endorse you, of course we will. Okay, if you want us to recommend your name, talk about your name, we also support as much as you can. If you are advertiser company itself that want to do some more advertisements, let us know. Okay, so that we can use your advertising fee back to the students itself, so that they can actually get better form of education through our portal itself. Okay, so really appreciate if you want to advertise something down here. Okay, and of course, yes. Okay, let's move on to our next. Okay, let me read the question. Mr. Osman drove from Singapore to KL. Okay, at 7:05 hours. Okay, so it's morning, 7 o'clock. After driving for 1.75 hours, he rested for 20 minutes before continuing his journey for another 2 hours and 35 minutes. At what time did he reach Kuala Lumpur? Okay, Kuala Lumpur is in Malaysia. Okay, for students that do not know. Okay, so you need to take hours to actually drive down. Let me work out the steps. Okay, try to work out the steps also. let me try to explain this. Okay. Mr. Osman, right, drove from Singapore to KL, okay, at 7 o'clock. Okay, so start at 7 o'clock. But you see, after driving for 1 and 3/4 hour itself, right? Now, what is 1 and 3/4 hour? Okay, now the hours is, you think, always 60 minutes, right? So if down here 15 times 15, so basically it's equal to 45. So basically we are talking about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now the denominator is 60, take note. So basically, after driving 1 hour and 45 minutes, okay, starting at 7 o'clock, okay, 7:05 plus 1 hours and 45 minutes, as you can see down here, okay, so it's at 8:05, at 8:50 hours, okay. At 8:50 itself, right, he rested for 20 minutes, okay, 20 minutes, so sorry. So let me see, okay, there is a, okay. He rested for 20 minutes, okay, 20 minutes. Now, if it's 20 minutes, then it's 9, 10. Okay, so now it's 20 minutes, at 8:50. So once he rested for 20 minutes before continuing the journey itself, right, we're talking about, say, okay, what time? Okay, 10, 9, 10 itself, Okay, at 9:10 he start to drive again. Okay, and by the time you add in 2 hours and 45 is 2 hours and 55 minutes. Okay, so basically it's at around 11, okay, 55. Now take note, question 17 itself, right, the answer might have some problem, okay, on the back of the answer. Because he rested for 20 minutes before continuing his journey for another 2 hours and 35 minutes. Okay, sorry, down here is 35 minutes. Okay, so 1 and 3/4 is 1 hour and 15. Okay, plus 7 o'clock, 7:05 onwards, right? Your plus is 1 hour plus 45 minutes is 8:50. Okay, that's the time that he start to rest for another 20 minutes. As you can see right over here, okay, 20 minutes itself. Okay, is 9:10. Okay, 9:10 itself plus 2 hours and 35 minutes. Okay, so 9点、10点、11点, right? Okay, 11 plus the minute itself is 45. So basically, when he reached, right, is 11:45 a.m. Take note. Okay, so as per the answer that is written down here. Okay, at 11:45 a.m. Take note of this. Okay, let's look at the next. Is twice the size of angle D. Okay, and find angle E. Okay, okay, try to work it out. Let me rub off this and we will show it to you. Okay, so if you have the answer itself, right? Okay, look at the answers at the back of the question itself. Question 18. Okay, so you use 90 degrees. Okay, 90 minus 42. Okay, you get 48. Okay, that is okay, basically the number for HEF. Okay, this is D and E. Okay, so you are actually getting D and E itself. This is basically D and E. Okay, the number. Okay, the total. Okay, so this question. Now, then you look at it. Okay, 48 divided by 3. Come out is 15. Okay, so now 48 divided by 3. Okay, basically angle E is twice the size of angle, okay, D and find